What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're opening up our July Nomadik box. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the intro. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said in the beginning, my name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman, and I do these videos out here in a hammock when it's hot. Unbox these Nomadik boxes for you. Now, I paid for a subscription to Nomadik. When that subscription ended, Nomadik reached out to me and said, hey, we want to send you some more boxes to unbox on your channel. So this is it. I didn't pay for this box. I am an affiliate, so the link in the description below that takes you to Nomadik, it will give me a little small commission if you get over there and make a purchase. Now, these boxes are monthly boxes. You can get 1, 6, or 12-month subscription. It's going to run you around $30, give or take a few dollars based on the amount of months that you pick. They have an ironclad guarantee, which means if we open this up together and there's something in here that I already have that's broken, damaged, doesn't work, Nomadik will replace that item free of charge. So really cool gear, really cool items. Each box is average value is right around $50. So there's that. Some boxes are better than others. That's just the way the cookie crumbles. But yeah, let's just get into this thing. So today we're going to be using the Gerber splice. I just did a unboxing first impression of this little multi-tool. So I'm still in the testing phase of it, but we have 2 knife blades here. So we're gonna pull one. It's still really tight, and I've been using it too. So we have a small little knife blade there. So let's get this box cut. All right. And if you're interested in the Gerber splice, I will put a card up top, and you can go check that unboxing first impression video out. So let's see what we got for July. So summer barbecue. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. So each box comes with a pamphlet that is themed. Inside that pamphlet, it tells you all the items that are in this box. So it looks like we have 5 items. Has some Nomadik tips and a Nomadik challenge. Brand discounts that usually are discounts related to the brands that are currently in the box. So we have our sticker, and I see something big from a company that I've heard of. This is Fozdie can cooler. Now, I've never seen one of these. I don't know what this is. Made for 12-ounce standard cans, made from patented spacesuit insulation to keep your drinks colder longer. Now, Fozdie, I will put a link to Fozdie in the description below as well. Fozdie makes some really awesome phone case, not your average phone case. It's not just a phone case you have all the time. It's a phone sleeve that you put your phone in, your iPad in, your laptop in, and it protects it from the elements. So if you're going somewhere with extreme temperatures, really hot, really cold, I carry mine for my phone. I carry it when I go hunting. That way that cold doesn't drain that battery nearly as fast. So really awesome. I've carried it to the beach. Another good place to carry that Fozdie for your phone. And it gives a good insulated protection for it, for drop and stuff. So like for your laptop, your iPad, anything like that. So we cut the tape. Let's see this koozie. Okay. All right, so it feels like pretty much the same material as in the for the phone holders. Really thick, really padded. You got a little nice little, oh, that's elastic too. Little elastic holder over there. We got a kind of a hollow bottom down here. That's elastic too. So any condensation or anything like that, it's gonna just run out the bottoms. I like that. That feels really good. Not collapsible. I mean, I guess you could bend it, but really awesome little koozie. I like that. I like Fozdie. Like I said, I've used Fozdie before, and I love it. So I will have a link to Fozdie in the description below. You can go check them out. So what is this? We have camp salt. I can't hold on to it. That's pretty cool. So a little thing, if it'll focus, a little thing of camp salt. This is Hatch green chili salt, mild, from a company called Desert Provisions. 0.3 ounces. Ingredients: sea salt and New Mexico green chilies. So that's pretty cool. Made in, let's see, Desert Provisions is based out of Tucson, Arizona. So made in the USA. There's that. Oh yeah, some bamboo utensils. Those are always cool to have and very awesome. I've gotten another set in another box last year sometime, and I use them when I go camping, not so much hiking. Okay, so a foldable grill from the company Exploria Supply Company. This is the company that gave us the shelter, all-weather shelter, in one of the in the shelter quarterly box. So as good as that shelter is, I imagine this is going to be just as good. It says everything you need. Ideal for grilling meats, fish, and veggies. 304 food grade stainless steel plated constructions, unfolded 10 inches by 5 inches, folded 5 by 5, and it's 4.1 ounces. Now this would be something you really could take hiking with you, or you could take camping or whatever. So this is really cool little grill. And I guess our last thing, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, our last thing, a cutting board. Really, a flex cutting board. I have been hiking and I have been camping before and really thought, hey, I could use a cutting board. Oh, it comes with two. So you have two. You have a small one and a bigger one. They fold together. It has a little lock mechanism there that keeps it locked. So Fozzils, Fozzils, think flat. Fozzils flex cutting board. And it's got a really cool topo map on it. It's got some measurements up here in centimeters and on the bottom in inches. And the small one has kind of the same thing, but it's just got centimeters. It doesn't have inches. Tells you which side to cut on. So yeah, so your cutting side, this is a cool thing they did in the design process, but your cutting side is on the inside. So if you have any residue here and you need to close it up and pack up camp, whatever, you didn't get a chance to wash it off, I don't know, it's on the inside. It's not getting over anything else because this isn't your cutting side. So there's that. So this is our July box. It's really awesome. These are some really cool items. Some stuff I've had before, some stuff I've never heard of, as in like this particular product and the camp salt. So really cool. Go check out Nomadik Box. I will have a link to them in the description below. Get over there, check them out, see what you think. I do recommend them. Some boxes are worth the 50, some a little less than 50, but we've had some really good boxes and we've had some that could use a little improvement. But overall, if you sign up for 12 months, you're going to get some good quality gear and some gear that you, my thing with Nomadik is I tend to get gear that, number one, I've either never heard of, didn't know existed, or didn't think I would need while backpacking or camping or something like that. So really cool gear, really cool items, a really cool company. So go check them out. And that's all I've got. I'm going back to the air conditioner. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.